Hey guys, it's Jaleesa. I am back with another hair video. So I just freshly washed and blow dried my hair, and I wanted to do a really quick length check video since I haven't done one in a while, and my hair has grown quite a bit actually. I've had it in just like a sew-in, like a half up, half down sew-in basically. So none of my hair has been out for about a month now, and I really think it's helping to retain my length. So I just wanted to do a quick, oh my God, I have brain fart. Leg check. So I'm gonna start in the back. I have my hair kind of sectioned in 4 quadrants, and then I have like just one chunky one in the middle. So I have a measuring tape, and I'm gonna start actually just like right here in the very back. So just like this piece right here. So this is measuring. I know you guys really like length checks, so, and I liked watching them too. I don't know why, I just really like to see people do it. So we got 7.5 at my nape area. The longest piece probably at an 8. My hair's so thick and healthy, I'm gagging. Okay. Let's do right here. So it's like the back middle, which should be longer than my nape, obviously. Let's see, it's easier if I hold it with my left and then pull down. So we're at 11.5, 12 inches here. Yeah, I think we can, that's pretty solid. Let's do the front. So I cut bangs here where there's blonde. Well, this was bangs. I can't believe it grew back. I literally cut these bangs maybe 2 months ago, and now, what the heck? What am I eating? Because it's not the kale, guys. I have not been eating kale lately. So I don't know what's going on. I guess it's just growth. Let's do, I'm trying to figure out the best place to do this because the bangs kind of are not fair. So okay, let's do this part right here. We have 11 inches, 11.5. Let's do this side, which I'm sure for symmetry, it's probably the same. This side's more 11.5, 12, I would give it. And then let's do the back. My hair's just growing so nice and thick and healthy. This is insane. Not insane, I fully expected my hair to grow, but but I don't know, it's just like, it's back to how it was before I did my other big chop. I big chop like 1,000 times, so I'm done big chopping. I'm done big chopping. I'm done coloring my hair. I'm done all of that, which I always say, but it's true. I mean, this front part, I don't really count that because I didn't color anywhere else except for literally like right here. But anyway, we're sitting at, ooh, this one's, I'm giving this one a 12. This side is real healthy, real healthy. We're giving her a 12. 12 stars. And then we have this middle. I'm sick, so I'm out of breath. Sorry for breathing heavy. Okay, we'll give her 11. She's an 11 in the middle. Okay, so we're sitting at a consistent, I would say 11, some parts 11.5, one side a 12, but she is healthy and she's thick. So right now, if I stretch it, I wouldn't consider this, I mean, it's not armpit length. I would say armpit length is when it's like full and thick to the armpits. I mean, if I straightened it though, honestly, it would probably be, armpit length's a stretch. I think it's a stretch. I mean, it's going in the armpits, but I'm still calling it a stretch just because like, it's not comfortably sitting at the pits, you know? But it, like I said, if it was straight though, it probably would be. Making sure not to like tilt my head like, yes, waist length. Like, okay, let me just like straighten my head. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, guys. Can I like stretch from this angle? Okay, with my head up. Can I grab like a thicker piece, please? Okay, let's see. Okay, head up. With my head up, we're here. So I don't know what that is. It just reaches the tip of my armpit. I'm not calling it armpit length. I think we're doing a lot. I would call it armpit length by like January, like a full blown armpit length by January. But holy mother, look how freaking, I just want to like straighten one piece. I have my straightener because I'm doing a little tutorial. So it's on 280. I don't really flat iron my hair any higher than that because I honestly only flat iron for like smoothness, as in like I want my hair to look a little bit more shiny when I put it in a ponytail, but I don't straighten it or flat iron it for like straightness and sleekness. I just want to get some of the texture out. So I will flat iron it on like 280. Oh, and that was the Away Memory Mist. It's a heat protectant slash holding. It like really keeps the memory of whatever style. So if I want it straight, it really helps to keep it nice and straight longer. And if I want my hair curly or curled, it'll help keep the curl longer. Normally don't do 2 passes, but I did that kind of rubbish. Yeah, that's the most we're gonna do. Okay, so if it's flat ironed, not at its sleekest that you've ever seen me do it, but it hits the top of the pits, just the very top. So we wouldn't, I'm not calling it armpit length. I don't know what I'm calling it. It's not collarbone length either, clearly, because this would be collarbone length. Let me know down in the comments what you guys would call this, because I don't know. I don't know. That's pretty much it. This is just a really quick length check, health check. My hair's been extremely healthy and moisturized and soft, and I've just been tucking it away in kind of like sew-ins. I am actually getting in this most luxurious wig. Oh my god, it's my birthday wig. So I'm getting that in. You guys will see it on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I post on there a lot more than I do on YouTube, because YouTube, I feel like, is doing something to me. It's shadow banning me. It's pushed me to the side, and that's all right. It's cool. But you know what Instagram is doing? Showing me love. So I go where the love is. I go where the love is. So I'm on Instagram just a lot more than I am on YouTube. But yeah, if you guys want to keep up with me and keep up with my updates and things, I'm on Insta. You should follow me there. And I, of course, will be posting my birthday hair wig there. And I post a lot of other tutorials there as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This was pretty random because I'm in the middle of another hair tutorial, but I figured might as well do a quick length check for you guys. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll be back soon with another video. Until next time, bye.